Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online language lessons we offer. One of my students is based in Odesa in Ukraine, and we were chatting the other day about the fact that before the war started on February 24th, the full-scale invasion, she'd never really felt particularly nationalistic, but since then she started to become much more optimistic about the future of her country because she's seen the way that people have rallied and the way that people have pulled together and started working to support each other in pursuit of a common goal. She said the thing that most kind of gave her a degree of optimism, the thing that most gave her hope, was the fact that all these different people from all these disparate backgrounds have been able to put their differences to one side and pull together. I guess nothing unites people quite like having a common enemy in this particular sense. If you put something to one side, you temporarily choose to ignore it in order to concentrate on something else. So maybe sometimes, for example, bad companies decide that in order to kind of maintain profit margins, they put health and safety regulations to one side. They don't focus on the health and safety side of their responsibility to their employees as much as they should, because they're keen to keep making money. Sometimes for me, when my mother-in-law comes to stay, for example, I have to put my writing and my teaching to one side in order to focus on being there for my mother-in-law and for my wife. If you're in a football team and you suffer a heavy defeat, you then have to put your frustrations to one side and focus on winning the next match. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, your teammates if you're in a football team. And in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use put something to one side.